Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If your iPhone screen goes yellow or have a blue shade, then you are at the right place to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on accessibility and tap on display and text size. And we have to scroll. Here we have to see the option color filters. Now turn off the color filters. Now your iPhone screen is turn blue to the yellow shade. Now we are going to fix this issue. We have to go back to settings, and we have to tap on display and brightness and tap on night shift. Now we have to turn off schedule and manually enable until tomorrow, and this option automatically turn off when we turn off the schedule. Now you can see the iPhone screen is bright white and back to normal. That's it. With this easy simple step, you will get rid of this issue and your display is very fine. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.